Hola, bienvenidos a Module 1. Here we're going to explain how the first couple of weeks are going to go in this module. When you click on Module 1, first you're going to see reading and resources. These are just resources that are going to help you along the way. Read. There's stuff here for you to read about the week, and watch and listen. Then there's Module 1 assignments. The assignments, you have the discussion board. The first discussion board is just going to be introductions, okay? The first speaking assignment, there's a rubric, so please make sure you look at the rubric. Academic integrity policy, that you have to sign and upload. So you can either sign it in your computer, you can Google up how to do that, or you can print it out, sign it, take a picture, and just upload it, okay? Whichever way. The homework packet, you do have unlimited attempts, and you're gonna see the same homework packet in Module 2. They're due the September 12th, because giving you a little bit more time just to get the book. Then the Module 1 vocab quiz. For this quiz, you're going to get your grade right away. Make sure that when you open it, you finish it. So don't open it unless you have the time to sit down and finish it, okay? The first one is pretty simple. It's about the calendar, so please look at the calendar, okay? Then we can go to Module 2. It's pretty much the same format. You're going to see the same information to read. You're going to the same homework packet, okay? Module 2. Now you're going to have a speaking assignment. Make sure you look at the rubrics, and for the vocab quiz, make sure you go through all the materials, you understand everything, and do not open the quiz until you are ready to take it and finish it, okay? For this one and all the other quizzes, you will not see the grade until they are all graded, okay? Until I grade them all. I do grade pretty quickly, so just bear with me. The first one in Module 1, as soon as you finish, you'll see the grade, but all the other ones, it'll be after they're all finished, okay? So you will not see a grade right away there. And this is pretty much the format you're going to see every week, except that the other modules will not open until that week, a couple of days before that week, okay? So not all the modules are going to be open, okay? We're going to open them every week. Only modules 1 and 2 are open for now. As soon as you get the book, just start on the work, and I'm here if you have any questions, okay? Well, adios and good luck for your first week.